Oh no, it's raining. Again. Well, how did I get up there last time? That's how. Ooh, weird sounds. I like that. Oh no. I can jump. Oh. Really? Who would have thought that this is a good way to travel? Climbing along this massive, tiny little, what? Really long and thin thing that I'm amazed it hasn't broken yet. Oh wow, there's a person here. I never knew that or found this place before. I have no idea what to do here. What do I do? Eat this? Oops. Are you okay? Oh, thank goodness. I have no idea what to do with you. I glow now. What do I do? What? Oh, there's a weird... What? I'm going back here first. What do I do now? What do I do? Okay. What are these weird things? Wait, is this where... What? Is this where... Oh! Is this how I get pointed to where I need to go next? Because this place is big, I have no clue. Stop climbing backwards. Climbing? Crawling. That water does not look healthy. I go over here. Where are you going now? Go down, keep going to the left. Yeah, that's how I leave. Don't... Wait, there's a thing in here? How did I miss all this last time? Okay. Okay, that's a problem. Oh. Never mind, that was simple. Now where? What are you? Now they tell me where to go. Go across the screen. Okay, so just keep going. Leeches. Ugh. Flipping leech it. Get off. Get off. Yes. You too. I said get off. There we go. There's one. You are... There. Now how do I get to these two up here? Oh, I see. I don't... Flipping leeches! There we go! No! Okay. The water moves. So go down here. Good to know. And there's more. This is really interesting. Food. Always good to have food. Especially seeing as I have none. Do I keep going or do I go back up here? I assume I keep going. Well, you're new. And I don't think I like you. Never mind, I do like you. You've gone away. Did I miss that vine? Or whatever it is? There we go. Okay. Never mind, I don't like them. Wait, I can't go up? Well, that sucks. I completely forgot about the glowing. And it's not even been 15 minutes since I watched back that footage. So that's great. don't you do that again. Oh, of course you are. What the... Stop. Really? I missed. Oh, there's leeches again. Uh-oh. Problems. No more problems. Oh, there we go. I've never heard that combination of music before. Where? Breathe. And there we go. Already? That's a big problem. Oh. Come on. Really? Get up. There we go. Can I even get up here? Nope. That's bad. That's a lot of nasty leeches. How? Bird. Death bird. What's with the weird speed boosts? I mean, it's helpful, but... go to the top. And... there we go. Water definitely does move. Oh, that's a problem. Why'd the music cut off and start playing a different one that I have never heard before? Okay. I need to go quickly. Oh no. Ooh, that's bad. Oh. Wait, I think I recognise this place. I'm not going to make it in time to the shelter. Yeah, I'm dead. Again. Wait, no! Ow, come on! Come on, get in! Get in! You were right there!